What's up guys, to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your Tentrade account, and also how to buy an instant funded account. Now guys, like I told you, this is they have an instant funded account that you can get for as little as $43. You can get a $1,000 instant funded account, real funds, because they are not just a prop firm, they're actually a regulated broker, so you can get a direct instant real account from them without any challenges. So that being said guys, if you don't have an account with them, check the link below this video, then you get sign up and also use the platform. Now first thing you want to do is that once you log into your dashboard, you just come to this area that says funds. Now it's going to be, this is how you're going to see it, right? Then you click on funds, then you're going to see deposit fund. And once you click on deposit fund, it's going to lead you to this particular page over here, which you are going to start depositing. Now it will show you um, the types of routes you can use in depositing funds into your account. All right, it can be bank transfer, it can be Neteller, you can use Krill, you can use card payments. Now the one I normally prefer is crypto because it makes everything very easy. Instantly you get credited into your account and can use it to buy your challenge account or your direct funding account. So in this case, while you're using crypto, now once you click on crypto, you're going to see, click on continue over here. Now basically what it's going to do is that it's going to ask you the amount you want to deposit into the platform, or you want to deposit into your account on Tentrade. Now once it loads that page, so once the page is done loading, it will now tell you to enter the exact amount you want to deposit into your account. So let's say, for example, you want to deposit $60, all right, or you just want to deposit $43 to buy a 1K account, or you just want to deposit $110 dollars to buy a 3K funded account. So any amount you can, it's not a must that you deposit the exact amount that you want to use to buy an account from them. Let's say, for example, you want to buy a $3,000 account, which is like $110. You can deposit 150, then maybe use the other balance later. Because when you want to buy an account from them, it is only that value that that account is worth that is going to be deducted from your balance. So once you specify the amount you want to deposit, you cannot send less than 10 USD. All right, that is the minimum you can send. So if you send less than that, you might not get your money, you might not see your money on your dashboard. So once you are done, you click on continue. Now once you click continue, since we are using crypto, right, it's going to reevaluate everything. Then you click on continue. Now once you click on continue, once you click on continue, it is going to bring out, now this is the crypto payment system that they are using, which is NACE. Now we click on NACE, then NACE will now ask you which of the crypto coins do you want to use. Now obviously the one that is far cheaper is the USDT Tron. You can also use Polygon, that's Matic, but if you're using Tron, you click on Tron, then to now generate an address where you can deposit funds to, right? So this is the address you're going to deposit that particular amount you want to deposit into your account to. Then you also have a timer here, so you have to make this transaction before this time. Once this time is expired, then this particular address will also expire as well. So you want to send exactly this particular amount, all right, this particular amount over here into your wallet. So but in this case I'm not going to be sending money, so I'm just going to click cancel. So once you are done sending it, that you are sure that you are done sending it, you've been debited from your maybe centralized exchange or your wallets, then you just click on send. And once you click on send, if you go to your transaction history, though since it's crypto, most times it's actually automatic. So you will see your transaction history over here. But as you can see, these are some of the transactions I've done and it reflects instantly. So once you are done with that, it will now be time for you to buy an account from them, instant funded accounts. Then you can now go to funded trader. Then you click on apply now. Now, once you click on apply now, it's going to take you to another page where it's going to give you lists of the types of accounts that they have that you can purchase from them. So the reason it's showing purchase another account is because I already purchased an account from them. So in your own case, if this is the first time using the platform, you are just going to see purchase an account, something like purchase new accounts. Then once you click on it, you can also go through the types of accounts, all right, that they have. If you want to know more about the types of accounts and how they function, you can check the playlist on my YouTube channel, Tentrade playlist. Then you get to some videos I've made about them already, explaining some of the accounts that they have. So once you click on purchase another account or purchase a new account in your own case now, you are going to see this area over here. This is where you now select the particular accounts you want to purchase. So let's say, for example, you are going for instant funding and you are going for, let's say, the bronze. All right. Now, if you select this area over here, select instant funding. Then you click over here. Then, as you can see, this is bronze. Then you select the bronze. Then you scroll down and click continue. Now, if I click continue right now, it is not going to go through because I don't have that amount right now in my wallet and I'm not planning to buy another account right now. So, but once you are done clicking that, it is going to just take you to a confirmation page. All right. And instantly you are going to get a mail that will carry your MT5 login details and you can just log in and you start trading instantly. So it is as simple as that. Once you have received it and you started trading, your account that you've gotten from them is going to be under this account overview. I'm going to do a separate video about the accounts overview. So this is where you're going to get your account. This is where you're going to monitor the metrics of the accounts you are trading on their platform. So guys, this is basically how you can fund your 10 trade accounts and get an account with them. Do not forget to subscribe. Do have a lovely trading week ahead, guys.